So to show you what this submersible camera can do, I have about 33 inches measured out, okay? And I'm gonna have someone stand at that. So now at 33 inches away, we're holding a 48-inch long measuring tape. And I've got the camera positioned just for this kind of mock setup for you. And you can see 48-inch wide, even wider with this 2.8 millimeter lens. And I'm also going to record this video to give you a video clip of what this can do. So I have it recording on my computer. So you wanted to know if air bubbles could be seen. The only thing I have close enough is a bottle of Windex. So here, this is my air bubbles. If your air bubbles are that fine, the camera can pick them up, and then you can watch the video that I recorded from the camera connected to one of our DVRs. Records in HD quality for you to kind of understand, hey, if it is good enough for you or not. So here's a video sample. This is a video only camera, so there's no audio. And here you can see the width of the view the camera captures. And then here, a spray bottle being used to imitate a mist. I hope you get an idea of what the camera has to offer. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.